Burj Khalifa, mixed-use skyscraper in Dubai, Uni Arab Emirates, is the world's tallest building, according to all three of the main criteria by which such buildings are judged. Burj Khalifa was officially named to honor the president of the neighboring Emirate of Abu Dhabi, Sheikh Khalifa ibn Zayed Al Nahyan. Although the tower was formally opened on January 4th, 2010, the entirety of the interior was not complete at the time. Built to house a variety of commercial, residential, and hospitality ventures, the tower reached completion at 162 floors and a height of 2,717 feet or 828 meters. It was designed by the Chicago-based architectural firm of Skidmore, Owings and Merrill. Adrian Smith served as architect and William F. Baker served as structural engineer. The building, modular in plan, is laid out on a tree-lobe footprint that is an abstract rendering of the local Hymenocallis flower. The Y-shaped plan plays a central role in the reduction of wind forces on the tower. A hexagonal central core is buttressed by a series of wings, each with its own concrete core and perimeter columns. As the tower increases in height, the wings step back in a spiral configuration, changing the building's shape at its tier and so reducing the effect of the wind on the building. The central core emerges at the tower's top and is finished with a spire, which rises more than 700 feet or 200 meters. The tower's exterior cladding is made up of aluminum and stainless steel panels, vertical stainless steel tubular fins, and more than 28,000 hand-cut glass panels. A public observation deck called At the Top is located on the 124th floor. Upon its inauguration in January 2010, Burj Khalifa initially surpassed the Taipei 101 or Taipei Financial Center building in Taipei, Taiwan, which measures 1,667 feet or 508 meters as the world's tallest building. At the same time, Burj Khalifa broke numerous other records, including the world's tallest freestanding structure, the world's highest occupied floor, and the world's highest outdoor observation deck.